how to submit feedback or report to an issue to Crumbl Support. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to submit feedback or report to an issue directly to Crumbl using your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside the web browser, simply click on the search bar and simply search for Crumbl. And now here on the result page, simply click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of Crumbl Cookies. Now here, make sure to log into your account and once you're logged in, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and there you can see the support option. So simply click on that and now here, once you're inside the customer support, if you scroll down, there you can see the contact support option. So simply click on that. So here on the next page, you can simply select your options from here. I'm going to simply select customer assist and here I'm going to simply click on open support chat. And here you can fill in all your details like your name, email, order number, and if you have one, you can write a message explaining the issues and you can also attach screenshots and photos if needed. And once everything looks good, you can just click submit and you should receive a confirmation message and Crumbl support team will usually get back to you in 1 to 2 business days and that's it. Whether your cookie was overbaked or just missing from the box, Crumbl makes it easy to get help. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.